Welcome back to the MPC Academy. Today we're going to talk about transferring your audio from your MPC Live III into your DAW using Type-C. Let's get into it. What we're going to do here is go into our mixer, and for you guys it might be automatically on the volume page. What we're going to do is change this from volume to IO. We're going to route the individual tracks to separate outputs. We get up to 24 inputs and outputs. Let's go ahead and do this. We're going to change the drums from output 1 and 2 to USB out 1 and 2. And then we're going to continue the same pattern. We're going to go to our sample here and we're going to change this to USB out 3 and 4. The next one is going to be USB out 5 and 6, so on and so forth. We need to change our clock settings on the Live III. That's very simple to do. All you have to do is come over here to menu, and then we come over here to where it says sync. It's currently set to off. Tap that and change this to MIDI clock. Once you have that done, we can go into our DAW. We're using Logic Pro today. In Logic Pro, we want to do Command and comma to go into our preferences, and we want to go into our audio. We want to change the input device to the MPC Live III. Go ahead and hit apply. The next thing we want to do in our DAW is change the MIDI settings. So we want to come over here to MIDI, and we're going to go to MIDI sync project settings. What we're going to do here is select our MPC here as one of our destinations, MPC Live Port 1. We're going to select the clock. The next thing we want to do is get our audio tracks to receive the inputs from the MPC. We can do that easily by doing Option, Command, and N to pull up our Create New Track menu. We're going to do 7 new tracks down here, and we're going to start the input starting from 1 and 2. We're going to turn on ascending so it can do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, etc. on the rest of the tracks. Let's go to create. Now we have these additional tracks. So what we want to do is pull up our mixer by hitting the letter X. We can turn on record input. And now if we hit play on our MPC, we see we have the audio coming in. Now if we go back to our main, our beats per minute or our tempo is set to 88. So we're going to change our Logic Pro session to 88 to match that. And now Logic is going to take over the play start of the MPC. When we hit the space bar, it's now starting the MPC. So if we want to record this, all we have to do now is start from the audio 2, shift click to audio 8, click the letter R, go ahead and start this at the top, hit record by just hitting the letter R for Logic Pro. And now it's recording the audio. And what this does is this allows us to now mix our track. We can go ahead and apply some EQ, compression, etc. and be able to mix and master your track to perfection. Thanks for watching the MPC Academy. See you in the next video.